Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia in day 124 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We are starting our exercises on the turn with exercises 181 and 182.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So as we enter the section on the turn, Marchesi writes, the turn, the gruppetto, is a group of 2, 3, or 4 notes which do not form part of the melody. It consists of a combination of the upper and lower appoggiatura with the principal note. So what I like about the turn is that it infuses a lot of flexibility into the voice. It helps that kind of flexible nature of the instrument without the stress of actually having to stay in tempo on a coloratura passage. So this is something that can be like thought of in a legato section to give it a little bit more grace. Obviously, you can't just put turns where you want, but I'm saying that the exercise of doing the turn can infuse your legato singing because you can feel the flow of the air. And here is exercise 181 with breaths, as Marchesi writes. Okay, so that is a really fun, very relaxing exercise to feel that flow of the line while keeping things flexible. And here is exercise 182. All right, meet you tomorrow for some more turns.